Hello guys, this is Sujat from Qasim. Today we coated 90 tons of Hitachi air-cooled chiller. It has got 4 condensers. So this chiller has been treated by Qasim coatings from the Netherlands. You can see the bands, U-bands, nice and tight. Everything has been coated except the panels. You can see through the coils, condenser coils inside, from inside the expansion valves and the front part as well. So, quite nice. It's all Hitachi brand, and it is ready to challenge the environment, C5N environment. Check through there. This was an old chiller, existing chiller, so we've coated it